Welcome to Can My Pet Eat That? The show where we ask a vet if my pet can eat that. Please give it up for our host, Roxy. Today, Roxy is talking to Dr. Aziza Glass, who will fill us in on what fills us up at the holiday dinner table.
I am Dr. Aziza Glass. I am a native Houstonian, and I have been a veterinarian for 6 years now.
Let's get right to it. Question number 1. What are some foods pets should never eat under any circumstances?
A lot of the different things that we use in our cooking methods, the seasonings, the spices, even the ingredients like onions, leeks, it's not good for our pets. And some of these things can even be toxic, like onions can cause red blood cell damage and even cause anemia in dogs. So it really is important that we stick to pet-friendly diets.
Question number 2. Dogs love bones. Why can't they have them?
So especially dogs that do not chew. They like to inhale all their food. Sometimes they can end up inhaling these bones in large enough chunks where their body cannot break it down. It becomes essentially a foreign object within their GI system, and it cannot pass. Now they have a GI obstruction and it requires emergency surgery. And another thing is that if the bones are very brittle, then they can essentially splinter because of the different chewing. And now there is a possibility of GI lacerations because of these bones.
Question number 3. What if they have just a little bit of table scraps?
I would say if they eat a little bit, then, it's not, you don't have to sound the alarm. You essentially prevent them from continuing to have it. When it comes to sharing your love and showing how much you care to your pet through food, it is okay to do so if you do it in a safe way.
That's all for this episode. Thanks, Roxy and Dr. Glass. Be sure to join us next time on Can My Pet Eat